So it's actually pretty common. My old dog used to get skunked all the time. Open that front door, we live by the forest, and before you could yell, it's already too late. And most of the time, especially with dogs like mine, they really get it centered around the facial area. So that makes it even more difficult to remove that smell. There are many old recipes, I guess, to be removing skunk odors. In the old days in my practice back in the 80s, we did tend to use tomato soup and those sort of acidic methods. There's a lot of other products out there that I think are better, or at least will work more favorably. So you can buy commercially, veterinary clinics have them. There's medicated shampoos like skunk off and stuff that actually work very well. And something that I've used in the past, and you can Google it, there is a recipe that has worked exceptionally well, which combines using hydrogen peroxide, liquid soap, usually Dawn, and baking soda. And it gives you the right proportions of how to use them. And I have found through personal experience and through feedback from clients that particular method works really well. One of the things to be really careful about, though, is if they are skunked in the facial area, be really careful with any of those products when you're bathing around the head, because anything getting into the eyes can potentially cause even more problems. I'm really cautious about that, so any sort of, and you can get it non-prescription, any sort of eye lubricant and a gel would work better than a drop. So something that is just an artificial tear. You don't want Visine or anything medicated, you just want something that will provide some protection for the eye in case when you're scrubbing it off you get a little bit in. And if you do splash some of that in the eye, make sure you rinse them really well.